Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy knotted bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the top section of hair by placing our thumbs just above the ears and joining them together at the back. Twist this section up and clip it out of the way for later. Split the remaining hair in half, and taking that right hand side, we're going to pull it up to about ear level and just secure it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Release that top section, and working on the left hand side, I've just left a few pieces of hair out around the face just to make the look softer, and we're going to split that hair in half also, and we're just going to pull the left hand side to just above that ponytail below it and secure it into another clear elastic band, and then just repeat this on the right hand side. So you should be left with 4 ponytails. Apply some texture spray to the top of the head, and we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the hair using our finger and thumb just so it's not so tight. I'll leave all the products that I've used in the description box below. Do this all over the top of the head and around the sides as well. Taking those top 2 ponytails, we're just going to loop them around each other and tie them into a knot as if we're doing up our shoelaces. Pull on the ends so it sits close to the head, and then just attach each side with a couple of bobby pins. And we're just going to repeat this on the bottom 2 ponytails. So tie them together once to form a knot. And then just secure on both sides using a bobby pin or 2. Now we're just going to take the tail ends at the bottom and we're going to knot them one more time and just put them up against the bottom of that previous knotted section, and again secure with a few bobby pins. If your hair's long, you might have a few little tail ends left over from that section, and all we're going to do is wrap them round our fingers to create a loop and then just pin them into the hairstyle. Okay, so now we should have a tail end at the top on both sides left over, and we need to cover this elastic band on the top right hand side. So all we're going to do is bring it up over the elastic band, wrap the ends around the fingers, and then just tuck that underneath one of the previous loops and pin it to the head to keep it nice and secure. And then to stop it from flapping about, we're just going to put a pin or 2 in the side section. So on the left hand side, we want to hide that elastic band in the bottom left hand corner, so bring the section down, wrap the ends around your fingers, and then just pin that loop next to the little bun we've just created. Add some texture spray to your bun, and we're just going to pinch and pull at every single loop and twist just to make it nice and voluminous. I've added a hair accessory, but this is obviously optional. And then I'm just going to curl all those sections we left out away from the face. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.